Did you know that scalping can yield profits in just minutes? Some traders make dozens of trades a day, taking advantage of tiny price movements. When it comes to trading, scalping is a popular strategy that involves making a large number of trades in a short period of time, with the goal of accumulating small profits. But what makes scalping so appealing to traders, especially beginners, is the potential for quick returns and fast-paced action. As a beginner, you might be drawn to scalping because it seems like a way to make money quickly, without having to spend hours analyzing charts and waiting for long-term trades to play out. And in a way, that's true. Scalping can be a great way to get started with trading and build your confidence in the markets. But scalping is more than just making a lot of trades. It requires skill, strategy, and a deep understanding of how markets work. And that's where AI tools come in, helping you analyze market trends, identify patterns, and make quicker decisions. Moving on, let's talk about the challenges that beginners face when trying to learn scalping. Learning scalping can be overwhelming, especially if you're new to trading. There's so much information out there, and it's hard to know where to start. You might feel like you're drinking from a fire hose with concepts like chart patterns, technical indicators, and risk management flying at you from all directions. And even when you do start to get the hang of it, there are emotional challenges to overcome. Fear, greed, and anxiety can all take hold when you're trading with real money on the line, making it tough to stick to your strategy and make rational decisions. Plus, it's easy to get caught up in the excitement of scalping and start taking on too much risk. You might find yourself getting caught up in the thrill of the trade, and before you know it, you've blown through your entire account. Another challenge beginners face is knowing when to take profits and when to cut losses. It's tough to resist the temptation to hold onto a winning trade, hoping it'll keep going up, or to hold onto a losing trade, hoping it'll turn around. And then there's the problem of information overload. With so many different indicators, chart patterns, and strategies out there, it can be hard to know what to focus on and what to ignore. Not to mention the sheer pace of scalping. Making dozens of trades a day can be exhausting, both mentally and emotionally. Emotional discipline is key in scalping, but it's hard to develop when you're just starting out. And finally, there's the fear of missing out, FOMO. You might feel like you're missing out on big profits if you're not constantly trading, constantly taking risks. But scalping doesn't have to be so difficult. With the right tools and strategies, you can overcome these challenges and start making consistent profits. So let's dive into the world of scalping and explore some of the techniques and strategies that pros use to succeed in this fast-paced market. When it comes to scalping, there are a few key techniques that can help you succeed. One popular approach is to use mean reversion strategies, which involve identifying overbought or oversold conditions and betting on a return to normalcy. Another approach is to use breakout strategies, which involve identifying key levels of support and resistance and trading off those levels. And then there's the use of AI tools, which can help you analyze market trends, identify patterns, and make quicker decisions. One of the biggest advantages of using AI in scalping is the speed and accuracy of analysis. AI can process vast amounts of data in real time, giving you an edge over manual analysis. AI can also help you identify patterns and trends that might be invisible to the human eye, giving you a more comprehensive view of the market. And perhaps most importantly, AI can help you make more objective decisions, free from the emotional biases that can cloud your judgment. Now, let's talk about the best scalping trading course design for beginners. What makes this course stand out is the way it integrates AI tools to simplify the learning process and improve trading outcomes. The course takes a comprehensive approach, covering everything from the basics of scalping to advanced techniques and strategies. You'll learn how to identify high-probability trading opportunities, how to manage risk, and how to stay disciplined in the face of market volatility. And with the AI tools provided, you'll be able to analyze market trends, identify patterns, and make quicker decisions, all in real time. The course is designed to be hands-on, with interactive lessons, quizzes, and exercises to help you put your skills into practice. And with a community of traders to support you, you'll never feel alone or lost in your learning journey. One of the key features of this course is its focus on risk management. You'll learn how to identify and manage risk, so you can trade with confidence and avoid blowing up your account. And with a focus on emotional discipline, you'll learn how to stay calm and rational in the face of market volatility. To summarize, Today we discuss the concept of scalping and trading and the significance of using AI tools to enhance trading strategies, especially for beginners. We also discuss the common challenges beginners face when trying to learn scalping and how using AI tools can help overcome those challenges. Finally, we explored the key features of the best scalping trading course designed for beginners, highlighting how it integrates AI tools to simplify the learning process and improve trading outcomes. If you're interested in learning more about scalping and how AI can help you succeed, be sure to leave your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more trading tips and check out another video on advanced trading strategies.